guys, good evening. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. To those of you new here, meeting me for the first time, my name is Melody Onyebuchi and you're in Gewmel space. Welcome. I love you guys. And to my OGs, my old subscribers, guys, welcome back. You asked for a video on how to carve the eyebrow, and guys, your wish is my command. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to do a small video on the easiest, simplest way to carve your eyebrows for beginners. This video is going to be very detailed, easy, and I'm going to take it step by step. We agreed on baby steps, right? So guys, we're going to take baby steps. At the end of the day, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. I love you guys. See you there. Let's move. For today, the tutorial is going to be with this beautiful model I have here. Her name is Oluchi. Thank you, sweetie. You need your razor blade, just your razor blade, and your spooling or mascara wand to do this. This is my razor blade and I'm using one from Bic. Use your spooling to brush up the eyebrow hair to see the shape you want to create and to make the eyebrow hair to be in place and aligned. Then guys, you're going to cut off those hair poking out to create a line on the upper part of the eyebrows. I'm sorry, my hand is going to block you guys on this part. I'm so sorry. I'm going to repeat this process again, please. So guys, as you can see, I'm brushing up her eyebrow hair. I've created that line and I'm going to go and concentrate on the inner part of her eyebrows, guys. You have to be very careful here. I'm just brushing it down, carving it down, cutting the hair downwards. Then guys, brush up at intervals. Then guys, to the tricky parts, the brow bone. To measure your brow bone, you take your spooling and measure from the side of the nostril to this point. At that point, you cut off the hair and take it down to create a tip at the bottom of the eyebrow, and also give the eyebrow shape. Then guys, keep brushing. I'm just trying to remove the extra brow hair around to clean up the eyebrow, make it look sharp. Guys, brush. Then at this arc part, the arc was a little bit too sharp, so I'm trying to curve it down a little. Guys, now I'm removing the hair around the eyebrow, especially the one on the face. Keep brushing up, guys. I'm going to measure from the side of her nostril, and sorry, I almost put my hand in her eye. Guys, brush up the eyebrow, measure from the side of the nostril. Hey God. At this point, guys, just pull up the hair, the skin up, and remove the hair. Make sure you bend the blade, of course, so you don't hurt yourself. It's for safety sake. So just remove the hair on the brow bone. As you can see, guys, the brow is already taking shape. Brush up, guys. Curve your blade and remove like a very thin line of hair under the brow, a very thin line. Then take it down to the tail of the brow, and ta-da, the brow is taking shape, guys. Brush the hair down. If you brush it down, you notice you see a few strands of hair poking out, just use your blade to cut them off. Use the line of your brow as a guide. Cut the hair off, guys, and you're good to go. So guys, I'm moving on to do the other eyebrow, and you need to be very careful, because if you make any mistakes, there is no remedy to this to this eyebrow carving ish. So please try not to make any mistakes, guys. Follow the same process. Brush up the eyebrows, then remove the hair on top, just create a line. The same way I taught you guys how to draw on eyebrows. It's just as if you're drawing on your eyebrows, just that you're creating a shape. Measure the arc from the side of the nostril and take it down. Then do the same thing to the eyebrow bone. Make sure you keep brushing up so that you see the shape of your eyebrows. Then remove a very thin line from under your brows. Guys, keep adjusting and adjusting, and it's not okay to make mistakes, guys. It's not okay to make mistakes, because I remember one time I made a mistake on my brows, guys. I carried half brows for almost how many months, and it was embarrassing. So please, you have to be very careful. At this point, I'm brushing the eyebrow head down to see the extra hair poking out, and I cut it off. I cut them off rather, and tada, guys, you're good to go. This is the outcome. I didn't do this on myself because my eyebrows are already carved, so I'm going to grow them out and do another video later on how to do your eyebrow yourself. How you take Siam? Hope you were able to learn one or two things. Hope it's easy for you to do now. Guys, just keep practicing, and be careful with your razor blades, please. I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and you can also click the notification option in case you want to get notified each time I post a video. I love you guys. See you, and thanks for watching. Bye.